Welcome to Design Buzz,
the show where we travel the country meeting industry leaders and design influencers.
And new and innovative brands. We're bringing you the hottest news in all things design.
And this week we're in Las Vegas!
First stop, the Kitchen and Bath Show.
This place is crackin'. There's even a DJ outside.
Okay, Jimmy, tell us a little bit about LK.
Very excited this year, LK's 100th anniversary. Our booth is all about our commitment to innovation, sustainability. I'd love to start with our Dart Canyon sink. First to market solution for ADA accessibility. Getting a lot of feedback from designers, people remodeling kitchens for those that are looking to age in place, people that are in wheelchairs. Wouldn't it be nice if we could have a deeper sink in the back? So what we've introduced is a working shelf ledge that meets the ADA knee clearance requirement, then opens up to a deeper bowl in the back.
This is brilliant.
And there are people that are just dedicated to universal design and designing for ADA accessibility. We have a 36-inch, a 33-inch, and a 30-inch wide sink. We also offer with each sink this unique reversible bottom grid. And so, it functions as a normal bottom grid in this position.
Wow.
But think about it, if you're in a wheelchair, you're filling up a heavy stock pot of water, maybe you want that shallow working surface. So this flips to then extend that shallow working surface and help you with your ergonomics.
You guys have really thought of everything in the sink. I love this.
So LK for 100 years has been a stainless steel sink company, but in the last several years we've diversified into quartz sinks. Quartz adds an element of color within your kitchen decor. So we offer two different levels of quartz sinks. We have a classic line, which are strong neutral colors, blacks, browns, whites. We're kind of a classic offering. We also offer a premium line called Quartz Luxe, which offers trend-forward colors, has a smoother feel, and has even richer colors than our classic line.
Thanks, Todd. We're at the Delta Faucet Company. We're so excited to see you guys have some innovation here.
Yes.
Can you tell us about it?
Okay, so we have Glass Rinser. Glass Rinser is a device to make easy cleaning your drinkware. So we have 5 powerful jets that shoot up when you press.
That is awesome!
Isn't that great?
Look at the way it cleans the entire glass.
And wait,
Yes.
will it do a baby? It'll do a baby bottle too?
It is great.
Can I try it?
Oh, absolutely. Just put it
There's
there.
a mama. She's
And
doing
press.
this all the time. Look at that!
Sorry, I screamed so loud. I'm so
No, she's
fine.
excited.
That's
She
awesome.
needs this.
So happy.
We needed a coffee break, so Cafe Lola was a must, a hot spot for the most glamorous food and drinks you'll ever see.
Only in Vegas can you come and get a Louis Vuitton latte. Are you kidding me right now?
On our way to go see Melody Ganji in her home just outside of Las Vegas.
Her beautiful home. It's so gorgeous on Instagram, so I'm so excited to see it in real life. Oh my gosh.
Here's our kitchen, which I really love how it turned out.
Oh my gosh. It's
how it turned out.
I know.
It's like, this is the most gorgeous kitchen I think we've walked into.
And I absolutely love the flow. It is so family friendly.
Thank you. And that's really what I designed it around, our family and our lifestyle. We have 2 little boys and it works beautifully with that.
That's so sweet. And I noticed that you have 2 different stones going on in the same room. So you have the marble.
I do.
And then the quartz.
Quartz, yes. I used quartz on the perimeter on the island here, and then I used marble on the center island.
I don't think a lot of people would think to do that.
I have a lot of clients, they get nervous about mixing stones, but we love to do it in our kitchen designs. And I personally love marble, so I definitely wanted to incorporate that in the design of our home. So this is the loggia, which is right off our family and kitchen, and obviously overlooks our backyard and our pool area.
I feel like I need a Mai Tai out here.
I know, just give us a cocktail.
A glass of wine.
Yeah, why don't y'all go finish this house tour? I'm gonna hit
We'll be hanging out here. This is such a fun space because it's indoor-outdoor.
It
but
is,
in
yeah,
a very
it's
accessible way.
And it's perfect for Las Vegas. I mean, we have beautiful weather year-round, really. So this is a great spot. Yeah, so this is our master bedroom. It's on the first level.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, wow.
I'm not gonna do it, but I feel like, what? What is this?
Thank you so much.
Wow.
This is incredible.
You have 2 spaces here.
Yeah, we're lucky enough to have a really large master bedroom. So we created a sitting area here, and my husband actually uses this a lot. So he usually relaxes here before work, and it works really great.
Melody is from South Africa, so coastal style can be found throughout her house.
Thank you so much for having us in your beautiful home. It is like a little oasis in the desert.
You're so welcome. Thank you so much for coming. It was so great meeting you both.
We got some rest. Now it's day 2 at the Kitchen and Bath Show.
You are right now in the Kohler Connect space at KBIS. This is our entire smart home portfolio. I really want to show you our brand new Moxie though.
Please, let's do it.
This is our brand new shower head. It's called Moxie. It has an integrated speaker in the center of the shower head.
What?
That speaker allows you to jam out while you're in the shower, and the fact that it's portable allows you to take it around the bathroom or the rest of the home with you.
You can pull it out of there?
So it magnetically docks. There are 2 different options. There's a Bluetooth option or an Alexa option. So you have all the access to weather, news, traffic, and control over the rest of your smart home.
In your shower.
In your shower, in your bathroom, and in the entire home.
Does it record you when you're singing in the
It
shower?
does not record you when you're singing those shower
Hopefully
tunes.
not. Okay,
So
good.
what you're telling me is I don't have to come to Vegas to feel like I'm up in the club.
Right, you have access to that high quality audio. Look at these dance moves, and it's powered by Harman Kardon. So
Okay.
great audio coupled with Kohler's great water delivery. So bringing 2 great brands together.
I love this.
This is awesome.
This is there's got to be more.
There is more. So intelligent toilets are all about comfort, convenience, and cleanliness. So think heated seat, integrated bidet,
Now we're talking.
Integrated bidet.
auto open, auto close, auto flush. So these are
Auto
intelligent
flush.
toilets. This is a fully integrated,
Oh my God, it's really
gracious
warm.
toileting experience. What we're
What?
doing brand new this year is taking some of the great features associated with this and propagating it to other more entry-level products. So we have DIY bidet seats, DIY heated seats, and touchless flush for gravity flush toilets.
So how do you work this thing? Because for some of us we're not tech savvy.
yeah.
How does it work?
That's where the beauty of multimodal control comes in. So the automated features in terms of auto open, auto close, those are there. They all have remotes to control as well. And the NUMI can actually be controlled via voice if you choose to as well.
Are you serious?
I am serious.
So you're saying I talk to my toilet?
Right, so again, that's that multimodal control. So you choose how you want to interact with it. This is our kitchen display. We're talking about touchless control over faucets, right? And then also voice control. So watch this. Hey Google, dispense 1 cup of water.
Okay.
So metered amounts of water. So give me a cup, give me a liter, give me a gallon, eliminating the need for measuring cups in the kitchen space.
Oh my gosh.
Also, now you have built-in water monitoring, how much water you've used, and leak detection as well.
There's some
That's
sustainability element
There's
to
lots
it.
of sustainability elements
That's
to this.
awesome.
That's really key for a lot of home buyers.
It's really important. And also what's important new this year is we're bringing new designs. So the kitchen's a very personal space. I'm giving you design choices, finish choices, and now technology choices in that space.
Can I try this?
Go for it. A little higher, there you go.
Hey!
You did it! You did it!
Okay, that's amazing. So how does it go off? Do I like...
So,
There you go!
It's called Magic in the Kitchen.
We heard something unique was happening at the Sharp booth, so we had to stop by.
This is very unique because it's a microwave drawer that goes under the island. The nice thing about this, everyone else has got to bend down like this and try to articulate this
Right.
way. So you drop down, it's very easy to articulate.
This is our superheated steam oven. So as Peter said, it's a 3 oven in 1. So it's a traditional convection bake oven for traditional recipes. But also it does 212 degree steam like for vegetables. But as Peter also said, it takes the steam from 212 to 485. Then it injects it into the cavity. And at 485 degrees, you can grill the steak, grill a hamburger, roast chicken.
Wow.
You can, it bakes a mean pizza. And the other thing that's really nice about cooking is you can take a frozen piece of raw chicken breast and in one step put it in here, and then when you take it out, it's completely done, crispy on the outside, tender on the inside. So you don't need to defrost it first and then bake it. It's just one step.
Cheers! Cheers! We all made it out here. We're so excited that you guys are here to join us today. We have so much to talk about, so much to cover. In Las Vegas, what does interior design look like?
As a designer, I feel you should offer a service, if possible, that relates to your client and where they're from.
I do a ton of remodels and renovations in Charlotte, so coming to the largest kitchen and bath show is just a no-brainer for me and my company to learn all of the newest, latest and greatest trends.
Is there some product that you come across this week that you've just been blown away by?
Prowse has beautiful faucets, and I'm not sure if any of y'all are familiar with them, but they actually did create a faucet that is black when it is either off or cold water is flowing, and you specify any color that you want, so when the hot water starts to run through it, that faucet, the faucet and the handle turn pink or green or red, and it is a safety mechanism. So if you are using it in a kid's area or yourself, that you're not scalding yourself, but it also just looks really cool.
I do remember the Jetsons.
Yes,
That's what you were saying. It was my favorite show. We're living there. I don't love hardware used on cabinets unless it's fantastic. So if it's not unbelievable, I don't want to apply a piece of hardware. So I use finger pulls, I use integrated pulls. So now I am so blessed because I think most of the refrigeration units are now available without hardware, and you can just either lean on it and it opens, or you can knock on the dishwasher and it opens. So I think they've gotten it. We sometimes like it seamless and not all this bulky hardware. So
I'm seeing, I know we just talked about color of faucets, but color in appliances. And that's been really fun for secondary spaces or under cabinet, bar, wine refrigerators, a lot of color.
Even Decor has come out with a colored that reminds you of La Cornue, but is way more decor priced.
Yes.
And that's pretty neat. So.
We're seeing a lot of really natural elements in acacia wood. So acacia is coming, and it just adds that textural, beautiful element to a pantry or to your interior drawers. And so we're starting to use a lot more acacia in our design.
Well, thank you guys for being here with us.
It was so fun. Thank you
to
for having
Vegas.
us.
To Vegas, guys! Viva Las Vegas!
See you next time on Design Buzz.
Okay, wait, time out. This has got to close. So much. Sorry, I was looking at Tara.
You're welcome.
You're sorry. Okay.